Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature top 33 search engine optimized secrets experts won't tell you about. And also, bonus, 12 ways to have SEO success with Google. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. I highly recommend you check out Stephen Hockman's top 33 Google ranking secrets for improving your site's visibility in Google's search results. Source: 5. You can now use the same list of ranking principles that Google believes are important for ranking your site at the top of the search engine results page. By following this guide, you will give your website the best chance of ranking higher at the top of search engine results pages for your target keywords. Source: 5. Optimizing your website and content with these factors in mind can help your pages rank higher in search results. When you optimize your web pages, including blog posts, you can make your site more accessible to people who enter keywords related to your product or service through a search engine such as Google. Dedicated blog posts that use different on-page SEO strategies can give you more chances to rank in search engines and drive customers to your website. Guest blogging, social media campaigns, influencer marketing, and brand mentions can improve your website's SEO. Sources: 0, 4, 12. Before diving into some of the more technical ways to improve your SEO rankings, always remember that writing high-quality content that generates interest and inspires visitors to share and link to it is key. If you're not an SEO expert, there are plenty of methods to improve your page's rankings and conversions, especially in the front end. Internet marketers should consider changing some of their tactics, if not their SEO mindset, in order to continue to rank highly on Google. Sources: 8, 10, 11. As we said above, in order to rank higher or just keep your ranking, you need to constantly adjust your SEO strategy in line with Google's algorithm as its algorithm evolves. If you want to continue to thrive in search rankings, you need to stay up to date with all the latest Google algorithm updates and SEO best practices. Sources: 7, 15. The best SEO secrets. In this post, you will find the best SEO secrets to increase your website traffic and keyword rankings. The Google Search Console can give you some free SEO secrets to help you rank higher on Google. While Google is constantly tweaking the search engine algorithm, here are a few basic strategies that will help improve organic search engine rankings. Sources: 5, 11. As Google and other search engines keep changing the way they crawl websites, the rules of SEO also change frequently. For a better understanding, I recommend delving into technical SEO, how pages are indexed, and why crawling and indexing are two different things. The SEO Guide's 9 chapters at Source 12 include SEO expert tips and tips for implementing search ranking factors to increase visibility and rank higher in organic search results. Sources: 6, 12, 13. Making things easier for Google. Deep links show Google the depth of your site's pages and encourage Google to index more. As a result, you centralize the SEO power you get from those links, making it easier for Google to recognize the value of your posts and rank them accordingly. Internal links can also be used in page content to increase the SEO value of the page you want to rank higher in Google. Sources: 4, 5, 15. Backlinks in general can make a big difference for SEO. They're very important to SEO as one of the top 3 Google ranking factors. The takeaways: without quality links, your page probably won't rank highly in search, even if you have great text or use any other available SEO ranking factor. Sources: 0, 15. If you have a page that is currently on the second or third page of Google search results, you can help it climb to the first page by passing quality link juice to those pages with the lowest rankings. Most people focus on getting visitors from search to their homepage, but struggle to rank their internal pages. Sources: 15. It's easy to fall into the trap of keywords and search volumes, to see simplistic targeting as more searches plus good rankings equals more traffic, but not all traffic is the same. If you do the right SEO, you can reap the benefits of increased traffic, which will lead to more conversions, better lead generation, and more sales. If you have good SEO, you can drive more traffic and have more opportunities to convert leads. Knowing how to optimize your site for SEO and conversions at the same time contributes to both of these goals and creates a better relationship between your site and search engines. Sources: 0, 13, 14. The more popular and authentic your brand is, the higher and more often you will rank on Google. Sources: 7, 9. Check out Neil Patel's 12 Ways to Have SEO Success with Google in Source 15. Among other things, he recommends summarizing what your blog post contains in the first and the last 100 words of your post. Summary posts are not only a great way to get a different perspective and learn new things, but also help boost your SEO rankings and traffic. If your page is ranked high on Google organic search listings for important keywords, this can be very valuable for driving traffic to your website. Sources: 11. 15. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning the top 33 search engine optimized secrets experts won't tell you about. Don't forget. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.